Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Chase QuickAccept. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and launch your Chase app, and you must have a Chase business complete checking account for this. This will let you to accept card payments directly through the Chase mobile app. So you log into that, and then you come and open up your Chase business complete checking account. And once you're signed in here, then what I want you to go ahead and do is initiate the activation portal. So you just come here and you go ahead and tap on this, and then you can go ahead and tap on accept card payments, and then you just go ahead and read the terms of service right here, and then you go ahead and tap on I agree to the terms of service and click on activate now, and you should see a confirmation like this, and you can go back to the dashboard. Really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.